What's up, guys? It's your boy Dev Dooley here. First off, I just want to say I apologize if I sound weird and congested. I'm feeling a little bit ill right now. And when I say ill, I'm not talking about cool and awesome. I mean like I'm coming down with a sickness. Rest in peace, Mac Miller. But no, so I actually am really excited to get this video done because I placed an order from printerpicks.com on December 27th, and today is January 26th, so it took about a month for it to get here. I almost felt like they scammed me, but it was a Groupon deal. It was like $300 worth of metal prints, and I got it for 50 bucks total. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. I'm really excited to have some stuff to hang, like right here behind me. I really want to spice this area up right here. So yeah, let me show you guys the actual prints themselves, the quality. I actually didn't even open them yet, so the first time that you guys see them will actually be the first time that I'm seeing them. Actually, let me grab the box for you. This is it right here. There's two prints inside of here. I don't even remember what size I got. So let me crack this open, and then we're gonna get some sexy footage so you guys can actually see what that's, you know, what the quality is really like. And yeah, I'll meet you guys back here in a second. Alright guys, I'm a little bit fatigued. I really just I filmed the footage and then I came back and I shot, you know, a closing, and then I put it on my computer and there was this weird buzz. So here I am again. But Printer Picks is mad dope. I keep looking down because the print is right here, and it just looks super awesome to me, and I can't wait to hang it back there. But nah, definitely check out Groupon for some Printer Picks coupons. I'm a rapper, you know. Yeah, check out Groupon for some coupons, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, drop a comment below, and stay tuned for what we have in store this year. I mean, we got a bunch of cool content coming. So until next time, guys, it's your boy Dev Dooley. I'll holla at y'all.